Hi there. In this video we're going to look at the first two wikis in Unit 2. First of all, we go to Unit 2. We scroll past the forum and look at 1.1 task preparation. So we're going to write a questionnaire for getting to know you better. And you want to think about what can you ask questions about and what questions can't you ask. Now it says here, choose 3 topics you can ask about and 1 topic you can't. There's quite a few of you in the class, so I think 3 is too many. 1 is enough. Now if you click here on the wiki, and you can see I've changed this. You only need to add 1 topic to each column. So here you click on Edit, so topics you can ask about: family, that's usually okay. Things you can't ask about: money. Asking somebody how much money they make is not normally okay. Then after you've done that, you scroll down and click on Save. And there we are. Now, if we go back to the course, you can see that it says return to the wiki after a day or 2 and read what the other participants have written. Once you have some topics, you can choose topics and make up 5 questions. So, for example, what are your, what do you feel, are you interested in, who do you, maybe how often do you. Now, I think, again, there's a lot of you, so 5 questions might be too many. Click on the wiki. And you can see I've changed it to 2 questions. So here, click Edit. Scroll down. And add a question to the wiki. For example, once you've done that, click Save. And there we are. I look forward to seeing your wikis. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what to do for the first forum. So go to the second unit, and this is after the wikis. We have language analysis questions. So this unit is about questions. So first you want to do the questionnaire and then question types. Remember, when you do an exercise, make sure that you click Submit All and Finish. Otherwise, I won't see your marks. You want to think about these grammar forms and then go to the grammar terminology exercise, which is here, and then the questions and answers exercise. And finally, the common mistakes exercise. Once you've finished all of these exercises, go to the grammar terminology discussion in the forum. So if you go up here, Go to the forum. And it's here, 1.3 grammar terminology. And here are the questions. So just tell us your opinion on these different questions. I look forward to seeing your posts. Hi, in this video we're going to look at how to post on the forum teacher questions. So we go to Unit 2, any questions. We go down to Section 2, methodology and teacher questions. So here we do the exercise, teacher questions, and then go to the teacher questions discussion in the forum. So do the exercise in the normal way. Start here. Answer the questions. When you've finished, don't forget to click Submit All and Finish. Then go back to the course. Go to the forum. Go down to 2.1 teacher questions. And answer these questions, or just write anything else about how you use questions in your classroom. I look forward to your posts. Hi there. In this video we're going to look at posting in the vocabulary part of the forum. First of all, we go down to section 4, the magazine. Again, this is about questions in the classroom, and the reading, don't tell them, ask them. So first you want to go to the resource, and read the article. Then do the exercise. After that, you move on to section 5 and think about in your class how you use questions. Some questions that you've used recently and what you were trying to elicit. Once you've finished that, we go on to section 6 about vocabulary. And then we think about some of the vocabulary from the article in the magazine section. So if you look at the article again and find these words, think about what they mean and go to this exercise to practice the meaning of the words. After you've done all of that, think about why we didn't look at the vocabulary earlier. One reason could be that dealing with vocabulary later helped us focus on the content at the beginning. Can you think of any other reasons for not doing the vocabulary immediately? So then we go back up to the top, to the forum, and vocabulary, and answer these questions. I look forward to reading your answers. Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you the last wiki where you're going to play a game. If you go down right to the bottom of the unit, to the question game, you're going to work in groups to review the ideas in the unit and practice forming questions. So you're going to go to the group page, group A or B in the question game wiki. So you click on here, and you'll see there are two groups and your names in either group A or group B. So you find your name. If you're in group A, then you click here for group A. In group B, then you click here. So if you're in group A, you come here and you find a list of answers. And then you need to write the questions that go with each answer. To help you, look back at the work we've done in the unit, and when you know the answer, you click Edit, and write the question which goes with the answer in there, and then click Save. When your group has finished writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions, you go here to the group A and B page. Here you write in the answers from your group. You look at the other group's answers and you try and write the questions. If you're group A, you look at the questions that group B has written. If they're right, you give them 1 point. If they're wrong, no points. And then we find out who the winner is. When you finish the game, go back to the course, go to the forum, and click on the question game. How could you adapt the question game we played for your learners? Add your ideas here. I hope you enjoy the game.